The Air Force is sent in with Sabre jets to strafe and terrify the population. By the middle of April, it seems that the Pakistan army has won. Mujib is in prison in West Pakistan. The Muftis are in disarray. But in the remnants of the liberated zone, Awami leaders raise their flag and declare Bangladesh an independent country.
The Democratic Republic of Bangladesh is proclaimed at the unknown village of Bhaberpara, now renamed Mujibnagar.
সেই ঘোষণাপত্র মোতাবেক স্বাধীন জনগণতান্ত্রিক বাংলাদেশ সরকারের উপরাষ্ট্রপতির শপথ আমি গ্রহণ করেছি।
Vice President Sayyid Nazrul Islam will officiate in the absence of the President Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
রাষ্ট্রপতি জনাব শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান সাহেব প্রত্যক্ষভাবে রাষ্ট্র পরিচালনার দায়িত্ব গ্রহণ করতে অক্ষম।
Prime Minister Tajuddin Ahmed's cabinet has 3 ministers.
Yahya Khan to narrate our people, to butcher our students, to kill our professors, to outrace the honor of our women.
On the night of May